Hi, I'm Olaf. I'm the founder of Speed Service. I got involved in the air-cooled cars when I was 17 years old. I bought my first Volkswagen Beetle. I completely restored that in my own garage at my parents' house. We start as an original car, but then you get involved with all the special parts, Porsche parts, etc. So we adjusted some other wheels, some other brakes, another engine, etc. So like this, I'm also got involved in the Porsche business. This client came to us and he said, okay, I want to build a car like an SCRS, G model, wide body, with all my special wishes on the car. I said, okay, we have the perfect base car for you. So we took the car from our storage unit and we sat together with the client with all his wishes, and that's how we start this special project. The first idea for this car was to make a sort of safari car, like my own rally car. That car, my client saw that car and he was completely mind blown by that car, so he said, I want something like that. During the project, the client said, okay, I want to do some changes. I want an interior which is more luxurious. Then he said, okay, I don't want the car high in the wheels. I want it more like a street car, a little bit racy. So during the project, it changed a bit. That's the fine thing, because we do everything in-house. So if a client wants to change some things during the project, most of the time we can do it. That's no problem at all. We started with a 3.2 engine. We completely overhauled because the client wants something special, a little bit more horsepower. So we looked at the options and we said, okay, an option is ITB system from AT Power Throttles with Emerald motor management system. So we put that on. We did our own twist on the ITBs. We went to a power bench for the correct adjustment. And the fine thing is that the engine now has about 290 horsepower, but what really increased is the torque. The torque went up to 380 Newton meters. So that's on a 3.2, that's very impressive. And the nice thing is the torque already starts at 2000 RPM. So you have an engine with a very high torque at a low RPM, so it's very fun to drive. And we combined that with the 950 gearbox. We also completely overhauled new axis, etc. To get all this on the road, we upgraded the brakes, 964 calipers in the front, and we have a very special MCS suspension. So we get the torsion bars out, and now we have McPherson type suspension. We can fully adjust it in height. We also can adjust it in strength. So the car is very balanced now on the road. So it's very good car to drive in the corners. So it's very unique driving experience for a G model body.
The first thing when you get in the car, what people see is there's a lot of blue in the car. This is something we discussed with the owner. So we have a lot of samples of leather. This blue is very nice with the blue on the outside, has a nice contrast but also matches very good. Then he said, okay, I don't want the complete car blue, I also want some nice tartan. We have a contact in Scotland and we ordered 7 different patterns of tartan. And he said, okay, which one do you like? Our gauges are specially made for us to match other things with the blue leather, like the knob on the gear lever or the speakers on the door cards. We specially painted them in the color of the car. You get unique parts in the car, not too many colors, so you have 3-4 colors max, so that keeps it also very calm. Some other special features are special 12 o'clock piece in the middle of the steering wheel, which is also the same tartan as we use in the seats. The carpet is also special made, a little bit blue-gray, which matches perfectly with the blue leather. We have special seat belts also with blue on the side, specially made for us. A black complete new headliner. So everything is very well balanced, so it keeps you calm but gives you a feeling of a very unique, special made luxury interior.
A lot of people asking, okay, what does a car cost like this? And then you get a number, and then some people say, okay, but yeah, there are a lot of cars on the market, they are cheaper, etc. And you say, okay, where's the money? In the car. Yeah, the money is in the quality. And it's not only the quality for the parts we only use the best parts, but also in how we put the car together. It's not only the outside, but our cars, when they are on the bridge and you look at them from underside, they're also like new. All the paintwork is in every single spot is perfect. Also, when you open the bonnet or the engine lid, everything is spotless. That's a big advantage to a lot of other cars on the market. And the nice thing is when we take the cars to exhibitions and we show our cars, then the people who really know, they see the quality. For a normal guy who likes a Porsche and said, okay, it's a blue Porsche, yeah, that's fine. But people who really know what a restoration costs, where they have to look, they really see that all our cars are perfect to the detail. And it gives you a good feeling when you're on an exhibition and people come and they see the quality and they praise you for the good work. That makes me proud, but also makes my team very, very proud.